And we are back here, and I've had to do quite a large journey in order to get back here. Yeah, I get it. I've made a grave mistake. Your Hokage is here. Is it Naruto? Is this Naruto that I'm looking straight into the black eyes of? This better be Naruto. Holy shit. It's fucking Surfin Naruto. Holy fuck. I am so fucking nervous. Let's get this shit over with. Okay, that does literally nothing to me. I don't care. Yep. Tabriel. Alright, it did enough damage that next turn he's gonna use Hyper Potion. That's decreasing my defense. Okay, that's not good. I got Static off. That's gonna do absolutely fucking nothing, but who cares? Might as well get him to waste all of his Hyper Potions on Tabriel here. He withdrew, sending out his Gyarados, which is going to use Intimidate, which won't do much to us now because we're only using Thunderbolt here. But later on, this is certainly going to hinder us if we ever have to switch over to our other electric type attack. Gyarados is a one-shot here. That's perfect. Level 39. His Tabriel again. This is the same one. Yeah, he was out of potions, so that's perfect. He's down. His final Pokemon, what could it be? I'm gonna guess Sedine again. A Vaporeon? I don't want to see it. I don't even want to look at it. How are you still alive? Acid Armor! What? What? Defense? Wait, that doesn't matter. I'm using Thunderbolt. Actually, wait, this isn't even his last Pokemon. Rest in piss. Come upgrade to level 33. Daikatana. That is the stupidest fucking thing I've ever seen! Oh shit, it's setting up using Swords Dance. Oh, this is not good. Please kill it. Okay, thank God that was a crit. Oh my god, he looks so fucking stupid. No! It cannot be. Can the prophecy be true? The one comes who is stronger than I. My ninja honor commands me. I must bow down to your might. Boss! Henceforth you are now Hokage. These waters are yours. I must leave. I don't want to be a gang leader. So I guess you're our boss now. No! I'm just a child! Oh, I'm no god! Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but I'm so caught off guard by all of that shit. What does this say? Mascara Island, east of Venice City. Okay. And where am I? Is there anywhere else I'm supposed to go, or am I supposed to go up this way? Yeah, no, I'm supposed to head up, and then I can get to Silverport or Venice or another fucking nuclear power plant. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, I think that's a pretty good note to end this on. Next time on Pokemon Uranium, we're going to be fighting our way through this old man, I suppose. See you guys next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Woo! Hello everybody, my name is Apollo, and welcome back to Pokemon Uranium. In the last episode, we made it out of the freaking backwards town that I'm pretty sure was called Ametry? Am I correct on that one? Yeah, Ametry Town. We got out of there through Bakehall Forest, got all the way up here, and now we're heading through the Mascara Channel. Should have probably shown that that was the name of this area. But anyways, last time we fought a Pokemon trainer and I was just terrible at it. Swimming is a great way to get in shape. Okay, I believe you. Swimmer Penny with her Corsola. Gonna be honest, Corsola is one of my favorite Pokemon. Like, definitely within, like, the top 10. I don't know. I mean, I like the color pink. Like, obviously. Have you seen my Minecraft skin? It's pink everywhere. But, like, Corsola's always been really cute and great. And Titanice! Thumbnail of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Just Titanice. Takedown? Why do you know Takedown? You're a ship. Oh, yeah, you get... Oh, because it gets damaged. That's probably why. Well, a critical hit, and it's done. I sunk the Titanic. Ow, I pulled a muscle. Good job. That's probably not good. You might want to get to the mainland for a bit. It's back! It came back for revenge! Or maybe it's just the other half. I don't know. I don't care. I can't escape. It knows mist. And I can't escape. Oh, never mind. There we go. I got out. Let's go. Ah, I should probably put on a repel. Actually, you know what? Might as well, because we're gonna be fighting a lot with him. Cowabunga! Surf's up, dude. Please tell me your name is Michelangelo. No, Claudio. Nice braille. Seeing as we're gonna be fighting a lot of trainers with Seabiscuit here, we might as well use it to get more money. It's super effective. And he's paralyzed. Psybeam. Okay. Level 38. Into Tubjaw. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna switch into Krabrave here. I know I was literally just saying that we were gonna use Seabiscuit to get more money. But, I mean, hey. She deserves a chance to redeem herself here. So kill the thing. Use Energy Ball. Good job. Ice Fang? Why do you know Ice Fang? Jesus Christ! Well, thankfully we outspeed this guy, but Jesus. Level 35, and Dig! Yes! Yes, I want to learn Dig right fucking now. What should I replace? Crab Hammer is too useful. Strength I can't get rid of because it's an HM. Yeah. Oh, no! Wipeout, yep. That was certainly a wipeout. Sorry about that cut there. I had to quickly go do something. Anyways, we should probably heal up. We should probably heal him up. We'll heal her up, so, What the fuck? Did I accidentally use the coconut milk? Oh, well. You know what? Might as well. Might as well. Meet Cancer, and yeah, we get another opportunity to learn Dig. I'm going to get rid of Energy Ball. I used my last coconut milk, and I don't think it even healed her. It didn't. Oh, that is disappointing. Oh, well. Well, I guess what I said about the... God damn it, I can't fucking say anything! Yes, I want to surf. Thank you. Am I already at the... Are we already at the mainland, or is this just... No, the ninjas are back! You are the one who disgraced our brothers, and none may defeat our ninja clan in battle. Prepare to be punished. Genin and Shunin. They both have Sedines. Seabiscuit is low on HP. Okay, well, simple idea here. We're gonna, of course, use Thunderbolt and just pretty much one-shot him. Cubbob, on the other hand, you're gonna take a back seat here. Crabrave is gonna do something. Alright, there you go. Good job, Crabrave. Or good job, Seabiscuit. Why did I congratulate Crabrave on that? Corsareef. I forgot to mention that! Corsola gets an evolved evolution in this game, as evidence here. So, take everything I said about Corsola earlier and make it even better for this game. Still dies pretty much just as quickly. Except it doesn't, because why not? Why would it? But hey, we did get it to be paralyzed. Also, just give me your HP. Didn't do much, but hey, Crabrave isn't supposed to be doing that much. That's gonna kill, isn't it? Nope. Aqua Tail, that's just stabbing them, isn't it? Oh. Oh, great. Somebody's walking their dog outside my house. Give me all of your HP. Haha. Thank you. Spawnery. Well, that's great. I need to kill this thing quickly, because Crabrave is weak to it, I think. Let's just use Crabhammer. Struggle Bug, yep, that's gonna hit Crabrave. Oh no, they went for Seabiscuit on that one? I guess it's gonna decrease special attack, but... Oh no, it hits all of them. It hit all of them. That makes more sense. Well, good thing I hit Crabhammer for... I forgot about Water Absorb. Feck! Alright, you know what? Spark should kill it easily. Crabrave. I guess Dig. I mean, Seabiscuit's gonna kill here, but in case. Alright, good job. Good fight. You almost killed my Pokemon again. This Gaijin is strong. Okay. This injustice will not stand. We must tell Boss. Yes, Boss will teach this Gaijin a lesson. You will regret the day you messed with us. I'm just trying to play Pokemon, man. And also they cut the music. Why do they do that? A Shell Bell. Nice. A Super Training Tent Tutor Taru. This isn't a tent, this is a building. Welcome, trainer. My name is Taru, and I'm a ninja from Tsukinami Village, and I offer specialized training in the HP stat. Are you interested? Yeah, sure. What Pokemon wants to get buff? Crabrave. It's a mini game. This is great. This is just stupid because of how tall Crabrave is. Oh, perfect. Score 3. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, wow, I'm sucking. There we go. Ooh, a perfect hit. Okay, final hit. Come on. Nice. 30. Your Crabgrave got its HP EVs increased by 12. Come back again if you want to make your Pokemon stronger. Well, that's interesting. So I guess that's here if you need it. Yes, I would like to use Surf here. Now, I'm going to do a tiny bit of backtracking because I'm pretty sure I didn't fight you. These are dangerous waters! I'll take your word on it. Thank you, CeeLo, with your top jaw. In those Aqua Jet. It's gonna get paralyzed, isn't it? Nope. Oh well. It's still gonna die. Critical hit. And super effective. Wow. Good job, Seabiscuit. An Electruxa? What? Why does it still no Scald? We'll never know. And of course it knew Protect. Why am I not surprised that it knew Protect? It's gonna do it again, isn't it? No, Scald? Okay. There. Suck it. Hopefully do enough damage to kill. Yep, critical hit. Perfect. Good game. Good game. Good job. I'm proud of you, Cope. I'm proud of you, Cooperative. But for Braille, I'm definitely switching back into Seabiscuit. No reason not to. Braille, meet Thunderbolt. That was the cringiest thing I've ever said. And it's not even going to kill, is it? Nope, it did. Good job, Seabiscuit. Yipes! Something bit my foot! It was me. I bit his feet. The ocean is so warm and salty, it feels nice. That girl on the other side said something very different. It's Caesar! Holy shit! I thought you got stabbed! Thank you. I'll be here all week. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Good job, Cubhub. Confuse Ray? Yes. Silverwind kinda isn't useful, so... Glub, 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 glub. I just like to lay on my back and let the current take me away. Yeah, I mean, it is a quite nice way to do this. So, anything on this island? Nope. Actually, what if they hid something behind the palm trees? Never mind, they made the bounding boxes a bit too large. Hiya! You've made a grave mistake. Now our whole clan is here. Our boss will sink you. Boss Hokage is unbeatable. Is this Boss Hokage? So this is the Gaijin Trespasser to surf on our turf. Show him, boss. Do not interrupt. So you are a strong Pokemon trainer, but by now you are weak and tired. My Pokemon are strong, speedy, stealthy. We rule this part of the sea. For the honor of my clan, we punish you! Ninja Boss Hokage would like to battle. He still has a Psyduck. Seabiscuit should kill this guy quick. Oh, never mind. He has 4 Pokemon. And he knows Feint Attack. To barrel. God, that thing is terrifying. Kill it with fire. And by terrifying, I mean Jesus Christ. I thought that one Pokemon from last episode was ugly, but Jesus. Aquatail, God, dude. He has a Hyper Potion. Okay. Dang, dude. Oh, wait, I got static off. Okay. Or paralyzed. It knows Crunch. Oh, no. Is that gonna kill? How? How did that do enough damage, dude? Alright. Might as well try out Carol for this. I don't think she'll be able to do much. Let's try Rollout. It did nothing. Why are you... You're paralyzed! Oh my god! Dude! That was a crit. Oh my god! Does paralysis just not do anything to these guys? Please tell me I have a revive on me. God damn! Why am I not surprised? I straight up lost this because paralysis just did not work. Oh my god, I'm doing like no damage to this thing. Why is paralysis not working? Statistically, he should not be going past paralysis this many times. He's gonna go past it again, just watch. He's gonna one-shot me here. Yeah! Why is his paralysis not doing anything here? Assurance, oh my god! Like, how many times is he gonna get past it? Dude, at this point, I'd be happier if his paralysis just didn't, like, went away. Cause, like, at least then the game isn't lying to me. Like, Jesus! He never had paralysis proc there. He has a Gyarados, which knows Intimidate. And he outspeeds. Cool! 9 HP! Why not? Let me guess, he knows Protect. No, but he does know Aqua Tail. Great. Is Gyarados water flying or something? Like, Jesus. I'm guessing he's just gonna one-shot here, so it doesn't matter, but whatever. Why does that do so much damage? I'm incredibly pissed about this also. Like, holy hell. Like, that one fucking evolved from a Tubjaw, whatever the fuck it was called, I don't give a shit. It managed to sweep our entire team because it was able to just not give a single shit about the paralysis we put it on. This is just gonna be a long fight, ain't it? I'm surprised that confusion's working, I'm gonna be honest. Might as well just start crippling its special attack. Yep, there it is. It set up a rain dance. I mean, Cubba could theoretically do this, so that's why I'm sticking with it, because there is a very small chance that Cubba is able to maneuver the rest of this guy's team by just having good confusion luck. Nope, never mind. Just as I was about to say it. Oh shit. Why did I hit Struggle Bug? I should have hit Draining Kiss. Yeah, I know it's not very effective. Nope, snapped out of confusion. Oh well. I'll be right back.